Good afternoon. I'm Jeff from JT's Landscaping. Today's project is going to be a how-to make a cedar suet bird feeder. You can either use cedar or you can use birch. And to get started with, always on my projects, wear your safety glasses. I got a cedar branch. It's like a log, and I cut it 12 inches long, and it's got to be 2 to 3 inches in diameter. So once you get your stick cut up and de-limbed, you get your 1.5 inch boring bit. You're going to bore 3 holes in this size of a stick. Right here, then you flip it 90 degrees, do the other bore, then you put it back the other 90, and you drill the third bore. You can use a hand drill, or I use my drill press. Once you get the holes all done, you have to decide what's the top and the bottom, because you're going to drill the holes for the perch. And if you drill the hole for the perch on the top, the birds are going to have to hang upside down to eat, and they probably won't like that too much. So I went to Walmart and got a 3/16 inch diameter dowel to come about 3 foot length. What I do is I cut like about 3 inches off on each one, and since there's 3 holes, each one gets 2 perches. So you're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to need 6 perches. So I cut 6 already up right here, and then after you cut them, you take a piece of 60 grit sandpaper. You just take the burrs off each end, and then since this is 3/16 inch diameter, I use a 1/4 inch drill bit to drill the holes. It makes it a lot easier to put the dowel in. So what I do is, since this is the top, I drill the hole right down here. You're going about 1/2 inch on both sides. I already drilled the other ones already, so they're already done. Let's get that done. I use wood glue. You could use Elmer's glue. It's the same thing. It doesn't matter. It works just as good. You put a dab in each hole. Then you take your dowel, put it in the hole all the way down. I'm going to go to the other side here. Put some more glue in these holes. It's cold outside, so the glue goes slow. There's one here. There's another one. And there's the... Okay, put the glue in all the hole. Put the dowel in here. Dowel in here. All right, doing good. Since this is the top, you have to hang it up. So what I do is I got a little eyelet here, a small eyelet, and I pre-drill the hole because it makes it easier to start the eyelet. Going about the center of the log here, about 1/8 inch down, not too deep. Then you put the eyelet all the way down, just like that. Now you're going to need a piece of string to hang it. So I got my string right here, cut off around 6 to 8 inches long. I just like all that. Okay. Then you fold it in half, like so. And then you tie a knot, just like that. That's all you have to do. And then you put it through the eyelet right here, There you go. Then you can hang it. Then to get the suet, I buy the suet cakes. You get them in Walmart, you know, Home Depot. Break the piece off, and then you stick it in it. On both sides. Push it in really good. Push it right here. Okay, and then we do the bottom hole. And believe me, the birds love this, and the woodpeckers love it too, because they can eat the suet and peck at the bark. So there you go. And now you can hang this on the tree limb, and if the tree limbs are too high up, you can get a hanger in the garden supply shop, and then you can put this on the tree limb, and then you can hang it up, and then watch the birds come and eat the suet. And that's how you make a cedar suet bird feeder. Thanks for watching. Give me some thumbs up. Write your comments. Give me a lot of comments. I like to read them. Subscribe to my channel because I got a lot more good videos coming up. And until next time, stay safe.